What's up everybody? Welcome to Nick's Hobby Bench. My name is Nick and in this video today we're going to be painting the Khorgarath, if I said that correctly. This video was requested by, I don't want to say your name because I don't want to stuff your name up. So I'm just going to put your name like right here. Okay? And yeah, let's get into it. The first color I'm going to do is just the base color, and that's just going to be in a Bantam black. And this one here, Screamer Pink, goes pretty dark when you stick Known Oil on it. So I'm going to stick it on the tops of his arms and on the bottoms of his legs, and hopefully that turns out alright. Guess we'll find out when we finish what it looks like. Okay, so the next thing we're going is the Xantry dust, and that's just going on all the boned parts. I'll let that dry and then I'll put on the second coat, and hopefully it looks a lot better than what it does right now. So the next thing to go on is the Balthasar Gold. That's just going on that part, on this part, and on the little apron part here. I've got to also add that you have to paint on the end here. Those lines there, red. going on this part here and inside of his mouth and up in there. While I was doing that, I noticed I never painted them two. So I'll quickly paint them while this is drying and then I'll leave it dry after that. Going on the little few lackeys at the end there, it says Mephistone Red. Yo, got some red on it. This color, that's the blue, going on the little wings right there. Alright, now I'm gonna leave it dry. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. I don't know, I did something up here. I don't think I'm setting up on it. I don't know. But I'm gonna stick another coat of neon oil just on the purple part to make them a lot more darker. What we're going is the Agri shade, and that's just going on all the bony part. And what I've also done is I've painted his head a different colour, just to distinct where his face is. Skull. Put on the next one. Okay, so the next thing to go on is the Gucci Violet, and that's just going on the Bugman's Glow, just on the inside part there. So the next thing to go on is the Tuscan fur, and that's just going on around the edges of his symbol in his chest there, and I believe that's it. I want to be really careful here. as neat as I could. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I've never done before, so I hope this comes out. I'm gonna do the face of him. No idea what to do. So, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to let it dry, or if I'm supposed to add anything else onto it right now. So, I'm just gonna leave a B.
I'm just sitting here.
That looks nasty right now.
I got time.
Wow. Okay,
It's clear to
see you all soon.
From up here, the world seems small.
It does look cool, I have to admit.
We can sit.
My missus thinks this looks like cement.
together. It's
In a
so
way, she's sort
beautiful.
of right. It does look like
You
cement.
and me,
But anyway.
we meant
Okay.
to be
What am I doing next?
in the great outdoors.
Okay, so I got the skull.
Free.
I'm only gonna put 4 on. I don't think these are the right size for it though. So I got 4 little skulls. That, like, I don't want to overdo it with big skulls, but I don't want to stick on some pissy small skulls. This is so hard. Okay, so I've settled with 6 skulls.
See the truth.
And there's 6 skulls
around you.
and some grass.
From a distance you can tell.
I don't even know how this thing's called. Alright, let's do it. Yeah. This nasty looking skull.
Meant to be
Fuck it. Oh shit, no.
in the great outdoors.
Yeah.
Forever free.
Okay,
You and me. Meant to be
go and stick this bad boy
in the great outdoors.
in here.
Forever free.
No, no, no. Just stay. Yeah, okay, just. I gotta hold it there. Just give me one moment. Don't. No. Just no. Stay. No. No. Why do people do this? Stay right there. No. Stay. Whatever the hell. right here. Boop. Boom. Sexalicious. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick freaking grab. Sticky as it is, looks like I glue this stuff. What the heck do you get this stuff out? Oh man, I gotta glue this too. Oh, it's sticky as it is. No. 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 Just realized I should paint the skulls before I go stick any grass in here. So I'm just gonna dry the tyrant's skull. It's dry paint just over the top of all the skulls. I hope. This hard to film and do all this at the same time because I keep moving it away from the camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show you all the end result. Hopefully it looks good. See you in a little bit. Doing the base really does bring me to life. I really enjoy doing this. I need to get used to doing the base though. But yeah, thank you all for watching and hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment, and yeah. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.